Welcome dear students. In this video, I'll be going to discuss about previous year's questions of CSIR UGC NET Life Science, and the topic is plasma membrane. So let's start. Okay, the next questions in 2016 from plasma membrane, that is both sphingomyelin and phosphoglycerides are phospholipids. That is true. Which one of the following statement is not correct? That means you have to choose the incorrect options. Now find out. While one has fatty acid tail attached via an ester bond, in another the fatty acid tail is attached via amide bond. You know that ester bond for phosphoglycerides and amide bond for sphingomyelin. So this option is right. The hydrophilicity of both is dependent on the phosphate group and other head groups attached to the phosphate group. This is also correct options. If you know the facts about these statements, you know that this is correct options. Only one of them may contain a carbon-carbon double bond. Another option is both may have choline as head group. This is also correct options. You know that in case of sphingomyelin, the phosphoryl choline is the actually head group for phosphoglycerides like phosphoryl choline and sphingomyelin. So fourth option is also correct. Now why this third option is incorrect? This is the answer. This is incorrect options. Only one of them may. You can see here may. This is not the may. It should be always, because in case of sphingomyelin, the other other fatty acids don't have double bond, so it should not be may, it would be have always. So only one of them always contain a carbon-carbon double bond, then it will be correct options. As they written here may, that means it could be that the fatty acid present in the sphingomyelin could be in double bonds. No, that is not a fact. In case of sphingomyelin, only the fatty acids are all the fatty acids that associated with sphingomyelin are always unsaturated in condition. That means there is no CC bonds, double bonds, there should be no bonds. So the may, actually this word actually is the incorrect. Okay. Another is 2015 December, that is lipid rafts are rich in both sphingolipids and cholesterol. Cholesterol plays a central role in raft formation since lipid rafts apparently do not form in its absence. This is true. Why do you think cholesterol is essential for the formation of lipid rafts? The first option is cholesterol decrease the mobility of sphingolipids in the lipid bilayer. Is it true? Is it the essential role? Large head groups of sphingolipids repels each other in the presence of cholesterol. That is also false, actually not true. Cholesterol interacts with the fatty acid tails on the membrane. Or the fourth option, the planar cholesterol molecules are postulated to fill the void that forms underneath the large head groups of the sphingolipids. You know the answer is 4. Okay, this is the answer. These 3 are not the correct options. This is the right options. In 2015 June, so this is 15 December 2015 June, there is a question that is from the plasma membrane, that is sting of a bee cause pain, redness and swelling, that means inflammations. Melittin is a major peptide in bee venom. Melittin is a membrane binding peptide that is involved in activating phospholipases. In the membrane, the possible target phospholipase that is activated by melittin is phospholipase C to generate inositol phosphates, phospholipase A2 to generate arachidonic acid, phospholipase D to generate 1,3-inositol, or phospholipase A1 to generate palmitic acid. What would be the answer? I will show you what is the answer. The answer is actually option 2, and how I will show you. Yes, you can see here. In the page of 282 Lodis, there is a structure of phospholipids. It could be any phospholipid because this is the head group R. If it is choline, then it is phosphoryl choline. It is inositol, then it is phosphoryl inositol. If it is ethanolamine, then it is phosphoryl ethanolamine. So what could be it be? But this is actually a phosphoglyceride. A phosphoglyceride, the basic theme is glycerol. You can see here 3 carbon glycerol. The first carbon attached with a fatty acid chain, another fatty acid chain. Now A1 cut the 1 carbon of the fatty acid chain, and A2 cut the second carbon of the fatty acid chain. And here I have mentioned that often arachidonic acid, it is mentioned in the book of Pollard that basically the second fatty acids is arachidonic acids, contain arachidonic acids. So why arachidonic acid is important? So you can see that PLCD, that means phospholipase D, this is phospholipase, name is PLA1, PLA2, PLC and PLD. The option D actually is not true because it will not generate any molecules. Why arachidonic acid is important? This is important because you know that to generate these inflammations, the arachidonic acid is important because arachidonic acid is the first molecule that actually generate some molecules called prostaglandin and leukotrienes that actually cause the inflammation. So the right answer would be PLA2. You can see here PLA2. Okay, that actually the second fatty acid, that is actually arachidonic acid. That is these questions. Glycolipids and sphingomyelin are produced by the addition of sugars, okay, or phosphorylcholine to ceramide on cytosolic or luminal surfaces respectively of the Golgi apparatus. Finally, after such modification, these molecules are located on the outer half of the plasma membrane. What key events are responsible for such localizations? Okay, the questions actually try to get the answer that which type of molecules are actually responsible for this localization, outer half of the plasma membrane. There are two leaflet of a plasma membrane called cytosolic and is extracellular part of the plasma membrane, because we know that plasma membrane is bilinear in structure. So what is the reason for such localization? Because these glycolipids and sphingolipids are present mainly in one particular leaflet, outer half, specifically they are mentioning that outer half, that means extracellular portion of the plasma membrane, not the cytosolic portion of the plasma membrane. Is it the membrane fusion or action of flippage or membrane fusion? Action of only flippage and flip flop of this molecule in the Golgi membrane catalyzed by proton pump. What will be the answer? The right answer is action of flippage and membrane fusions. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.